Hey, Donny Walker here, Walker Saw Shop, Canada. We got Josh Johnson from Kentucky. Got your saw done, buddy. Exactly the way I do it for me and for everyone else. Dual brown pipes, angled just right. Rev limiter ignition, non-rev limiter I changed it to. Porting it out. This is an old school 372 with the one ring piston. It'll be great for you. It'll run a 32 no problem, but I'm going to give you a little demo with the 24 here. Here we go, bud. So you should be pretty happy with that. Sometimes the noise doesn't work right.